Hello everyone, welcome back to Pavani Teachers. In previous video, we have discussed strings, concepts, and we get to know strings are immutable and we get to know about string pool and etc. As I said, we are going to discuss string inbuilt functions in this video. So let's understand through coding. Firstly, I'm just importing java.util.star. Then I'm just creating the scanner class. If in case we want to read any inputs from the user, yep. Yeah, now, sorry, before this we need to create main method, that is public static void main, because every program in Java starts from the main method. Now I am going to create a scanner object. Let's discuss one by one now. Yep. Let's discuss the first one is finding the length of the string. So I want to read the string from the user. So I'll take string str is equal to sc dot next line, because I want to read it as a line. And then I'll print the size of the string. So length of the string. Here I'm just passing the message, that is length of the string. That, and here I'm just want to give str dot length. This is very important part that we are discussing as of now. This is the string function to find the length of the current string. That's it. So let's run this code. Let's see. First we need to compile it. Strings inbuilt functions. Strings.java. Yep. We need to run it. Yeah. So here I'm just entering my name, that is Pavani Sai Devi. So it is giving us the length of the string is 15. Shall we count? Pavani is contained 6, Sai is 3, 6 plus 3 is 9, and Devi is 4. 9 plus 4 is 13, and here we have used the through spaces, which will also be counted in strings space as a character. So totally we have 15. The length of the string is 15. So this is the functions. Length curly braces is the string inbuilt function to find the string length. And yep. Now let's discuss the next one. The next one is character at. So if you want to access a particular character, accessing the character. At that time, I'm just taking the string str is equal to some Java. So I want to access and I want to print index of 0, the character. I am passing the message that is character at 0th index. So how we need to access the 0th index? It's very simple. The string name dot char at 0. That's it. Let's again compile the code and run it. Yes. Let me give a space here for better understanding. Yeah. Character at 0th index is J. Shall we cross check? This is like as the string indexing starts from 0, this is the 0th index. So J is the answer. Hope you got like how to access the any particular character at particular index. That's it. That is for accessing the character. Let's move forward. And our next inbuilt function is to like to get substring. So for this, I am just going to take string as programming. So like I want the substring that is of length 4 characters. So how to get that? Let's just see. System.out.println. The substring is like it cuts the current string like current string into substrings. Substring is like I need, as I said, I need uh substring of some 4 characters. Let's see the output. So like it trims the starting four characters and gives the remaining letters. Hope you got. Like substring is it trims uh the number of characters count that we are giving in substring. Hope you understand. So we have another type of substring like this single parameterized substring trims the particular number of characters. But what if we want to access from particular starting index to ending index? So now I want prog as output. At that time we need to use system dot out dot println of the substring of 0 to 4 is str dot substring of 0 comma 4. Like we need this particular length of like from 0th index to 4th index. I want the substring that is present here. So let's run the code and check the different variation between these two. See, you can like observe here. The first one it trims the first starting 4 index, like until the 4th index, and the second one is that will give the values that we have mentioned in a braces that is 0 to 4th index. Hope you got the difference between single parameterized substring and double like two parameterized substrings. This is about the substring concept. So let's move forward. Our next substring is indexOf. That means finding a particular character's index. Finding particular character or word starting index. So suppose I have taken here string as string str is equal to Java, or I'll take banana. So now I want to get the index of banana for the first statement. System.out.println. So here I am just passing the message that index of A is the inbuilt function that we want to use is str dot index of A. That's it. So as we are like accessing the character, it should be mentioned inside the codes. So let's run the program and check. Yeah, here we can see the index of A is 1. As the first occurrence of A is at 1, we got the value as 1. So like this we can check about the particular word inside that, like substring inside of the word. Like suppose system dot or dot println of index of like I want to get the value of when NaN is going to start. The same inbuilt function that we are going to use str index of NaN. So let me run this code. So we got the value is 2 because from the second index NaN is going to start. So this is how we need to get the index. So here we also have another inbuilt function is to find the last index, like last occurrence of a particular character. Let's explore that also. Like I want to get the last index of character A. That means like what was the last occurrence of A? This is A. So this is the last occurrence of A. So we need to get this A's index. So what is the inbuilt function to get that? It's very simple. str dot last index of A. So let's run the code again to check the, let me save this for now. Yes. See here you can observe the first line gives us the first occurrence of A. The second line gives us the occurrence of particular string. The third line gives us the last occurrence of character A, that is 5. So this is the fifth index in a string banana where A is occurring at last A's occurrence. So okay, hope you got about the indexing. So let's move further. And our next topic is, so our next topic is contains. So here I'm going to take the string, like finding a particular word, finding strings, words, like words, characters, like whether that is present or not in a particular given string. So here I'm going to take string as string str equal to Java programming. So like I want to check if Java is present in given particular string or not. So how we need to write that? System.out.println. Um, do we have do we have Java here? So the string function that we are using here is str is nothing but the string name. It that can a continuation string dot contents of Java. That's it. So let me run some more. Do we have Java here? True. Like it says true. That means the word Java presents here. So here, let me give Python. Let's check if this is present or not. Do we have, sorry, here I want to check the, like change this Python. Again, I want to run this. Do we have Python here? False. No, we don't have Python. Any word that is like Python. Okay, hope you got like what is meant by contains. So our next inbuilt function that we are going to is starts with and ends with. I am just taking the same string. So starts with and ends with. Our next starts with and ends with. Like we want to check if a particular string is starting with a particular substring. Then let's just check system dot out dot print ln. So here I want to check if the string is starting with Java, starting with Java, so inbuilt function that we are using here is starts with. That's it. Inside we need to give the substring that we want to check. Double is capital here. Yep. And also I want to check with ends also to save the time. If the string is ending with gramming, like I just want to check if the code is ending with this particular word. So here the inbuilt function that we want to use is ends with, and the particular string that we are checking, gramming. That's it. So let's run the code. Yeah, it is telling. If the string is starting with Java, yes, true. Because the string is starting with Java. And if the string is starting with, I haven't mentioned here, programming. Sorry, gramming. So let's run again for clear understanding. Yeah, if the string is ending with gramming, true. Yes, because we can see here, it is ending with gramming. So like this, we have ignorance ignorance substring also, that like it will not consider upper and lower cases. You just work on those ignorance cases. So let's move forward. Our next function is toUpper. Like I want to convert a given complete string into uppercase. So how we need to do is system.out.println of the uppercase value. Uppercase word of particular string is. So here we need to use str dot up to upper case. That's it. So likewise we can do the toLower also. toLower. So I'm just giving the another statement, that is system.out.println the lower case of word is. So the same string name dot to lower case. That's it. So let me run the code and check the outputs. I will take the new command prompt. strings inbuilt functions dot Java strings inbuilt functions. So we got the uppercase word is Java programming and the lowercase word is Java program. So here you can observe the difference between the output that is being generated. Here all the letters are converted into uppercase, where here we have only J as uppercase. And the second state line, every letter is converted into lowercase. Here Java is the uppercase in the input. So this is how we need to toggle the cases. Hope you understand the uppercase and lowercase. So replacing. Our next method is replacing. So if suppose at any instant like you want to replace a particular character. Suppose I have a string word str as something banana. I want to replace all A's to the A to the O. So how we need to do that? System.out.println of the string after replacing is, so how to replace it? It's very simple. str dot replace character A with character O. So let's run the code and check the difference, like how this replace works. Yeah, here we can clearly observe uh, letter A is replaced with letter O, character O. Okay, this is how replacing works. So the main important inbuilt function that we need to discuss when we are dealing with DSA problems, that is converting into character array. So here I just tell you the string as this is Pavani teacher's YouTube channel. So I want to convert this particular, or let's take the simple word for as of now, like Java. I want to convert this particular string into character array. Like character array is nothing but a collection of characters that are stored in a sequential, like side by side or sequential, or with the um, side by side addressing values. As I explained, what about the arrays? Like arrays are nothing but which are like same homogeneous characters that are stored in a sequential addresses. That's it. So I want to convert this. So how to do that? First we need to like mention that I want to convert this into the character array, and we need to take some names. Character array is equal to str dot char array. That's it. By default, it's going to convert. Here C is capital. To character array. Yep, that's it. So I'm going to like check if this is converted into character or array or not. So in previous video I have explained like how to access the character like index by index. So I'm just taking the enhanced for loop and check the each character. Like I'm just checking the array that has been converted into character like string to character array. System.out.println ch. So let's run the code and check if the given string is converted into character array or not. Yeah, here we can see Java. Like each character has been printed. So this is how we need to convert a given string. Like the string name character mentioning that we are going to create the character array, and the string name dot to char array is the function that we need to use to convert into character array. That's it. I think we have covered most of the important string inbuilt functions that we are going to use in the SA programming. This is for this video. And the next video I'm going to cover is string buffers. I'm going to explain the difference between string builder and string buffer. So stay updated for the content. Please do subscribe for more and upcoming videos.